To customize Edge panel in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to look for the display options. Scroll down and look for the Edge panel, make sure that it's enabled, and then you can click on it to see most of the options for customization. So first is the panels itself, so you can click on it and then add different panels, or select a specific panel that you want to see. Of course, underneath them you can click on Edit to manage which icons should be available for that panel. Then there's a handle settings. You can change the position for handle to the left or right side of your phone. You can change where it should be, and you can also change the color for it, transparency, size, width as well. Then there's show in landscape mode. When activated, when you put your phone in landscape mode, that means if you rotate your screen, you will also see it if this option is active. And now when we have our Edge panel, I don't know where I put it, to be honest. Let's go for a handle and leave it right here. So we need to leave the options and then slide to the left. And then there's the icon right here on the top called AI Select. So normally we won't be able to remove it, but here if we click on this edit button and the three dots, you can then click see new menu and then turn it off. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.